Carrot is a delicious and a nutritious vegetable. It is rich in beta carotene, vitamin A, B, C, D and K. It adds a lot of flavor and it helps to improve your immune system. Making carrot juice at home is quite easy. Even if you don't have a fancy food processor or a juicer, you can still make your carrot juice at home. So hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own carrot juice at home. So here are some of the carrot vegetable which I'll be using. I'm going to be using 5 out of these. So first of all, we are going to start by cleaning the carrot skin. I'm going to place the carrots in a bowl, then run some cold water over it. I'm going to start by scrubbing the body of the carrot. You can use a vegetable brush to do this. This came directly from the farm, so I will need to clean the body of the carrots properly. Now I'm going to cut the broader end which is attached to the greenish leaf. After that, I'm going to scrape this using a vegetable peeler. If you are so concerned about pesticide on the skin of your carrots, you can easily peel it. However, if you are using organically grown carrots, you may not need to peel the skin because they are pesticide free. Now finally, I'm going to soak the carrots in salted water for about 3 minutes, then rinse them out again. We're going to start blending the carrots, but first of all we are going to cut the carrot into tiny pieces to enable the blender to spin well. You don't want to risk spoiling your blender. Okay, so now we are done cutting the carrots. I'm going to bring this into a plate, then set it aside. Okay, to improve the sweetness and texture of your carrot juice, you will need some orange juice to add to it. I'm going to be squeezing 2 of this orange juice into the carrots. I'm just going to start by peeling the orange first. Okay, here's the juice. I'm also going to set this aside. To the blender, I'm going to bring in the carrots. You can blend this in batches if you want. To it, I'm going to add in all the orange juice. Carrots are not that juicy. You will need water or orange juice to blend this, so I'm still going to add in a little water just to hasten the blending process. Now I'm going to pulse this a few times. I'm now done blending this. I'm going to strain this right away. To strain this, I'm just going to place a strainer over a bowl, then empty the blended carrots into it. I'm just going to use a spoon to press down the pulp. Okay, for the pulp, you may not really need to throw this away. It looks chewy. You can even add it to your rice if you're making rice. Look at this rich orangey color. This is naturally sweet. You may not really need to add sugar to it. The orange has helped to enhance the taste of the carrot juice. Carrot juice is naturally sweet. It's good for your skin, your hair, and your nails. Taking carrot juice regularly for 2 months, it gives you a glowing skin. So I'm going to be serving this over ice. You can save your carrot juice immediately and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you do enjoy this video. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.